Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this video we are going to learn how to change sprays in Brawl Stars. So without further ado, let's find out. So choose the brawler that you want. So let's say for example I will just simply select Spike here. So let's click on Spike, and if you want to change the spray you need to go to this section here, and these are the random skins that you can turn on if you want, and you just need to click on the middle section here. So here you will find the pins you can change, but right now we want to change the sprays. So let's click on sprays and click on slot 1, and here you can change the sprays. So there are basically 4 slots available here. You can choose each for one. You can choose, alright, for slot 3 we'll select this one, and for slot 4 let's say this one. So that's how you can change sprays in Brawl Stars. So that's it for today. Hope you found the video helpful. See you soon. Have a good day.